Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Good morning. Good morning. It's Monday, the 17th. Let's see this one. Everybody have a great weekend. All right. Sell Ricochet 1 hour to the blue line, NAS. I'll have to look at this a little more closer, but yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? We just need to get set up. Hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. Middle Eastern McBatty. What a cute name. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Helping all traders become consistently profitable. Good morning, Geo Baru. Good morning, Geo. Yeah, I didn't think I was. Give me just 1 second. I'm not quite set up on YouTube Live yet, but close. Let me grab these keywords. All right. You're right outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Today is Monday, November the 17th, 2025. Oh, hopefully y'all can hear me okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo. TikTok's got to go. I don't know who that is or why she's on my thing. How the hell did that happen? Oh, no, we don't. Ain't no one going. How the hell did someone go live? I wasn't even paying attention. Fuck that shit. I swear in all that's holy. Let's try that again on TikTok. Now we're on YouTube, TikTok. Okay, I think we're actually gold. Nope, I do not see. Oh, we do have a touchdown on the NAS, by the way. That was odd. Good morning, Lazarus. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who's doing yo, what the fuck? Good morning, Dr. One Fly and Lazarus, but I'm concerned of why TikTok's acting funny. I think we are live everywhere now. Yeah, I need more thumbs up on YouTube. Stick around on YouTube. Yeah, 11 thumbs up, 25, 26 of you watching isn't going to cut it. Good morning. Let's see. Who do we have? Jones 808. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Ruben and Lachey. Good morning, 8 Ball. And see you in a minute, 8 Ball. Good to see you. Good morning, George Hyde. Loud and clear. Thank you, Barani. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Bob. How you doing, Bob? Good morning, Persistent. What's up, Persistent? Good to see you guys here. Let's see. Hide that one. There we go. All right. I think that covers everybody. FYI, comments are off on TikTok. Blessed by Jay. Good morning, Kevin. I'm getting good mornings for everybody. Interesting. Can you guys comment on TikTok? Yes or no? Comments work. Okay. Thank you, Aussie Trader. I thought they were working though, so I guess we're okay. Thank you, Alex and Blessed by Jay, for commenting and testing. What's up, Ryan Marcus? Yeah, looks like they're working after all. Whew. Just got done. Before I go live. A day without Kevin is a day without sunshine and live trading. That's funny. Not right now. I don't know. Maybe refresh it. DGNX. Is that a symbol? DGNX. Paul K. R. Polite. What's up, Paul? Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Awesome. All right. Now, all right. Let's take a little cheat sheet on how to trade. This is all turning red. This is going to, I would say today is going to be around 60-minute or at least the 45-minute blue line. We'll check those. As you see, this turns to red on the key spot. It's showing the buy stops forming on our 4-hour, 6-hour, and so on. Oh boy. So why is this volume always on? Hold on. There. So as this falls, we make more money on the way back up on higher time frame buy stops. They're almost all filled in. We have to wait for US 30. How you use the, key spot, it comes free with the sniper payment you guys um, we're gonna go over some very, very basics on the system, um, because this is just too easy money. There you go. So we have a NQ to the 60-minute blue line, as I called out a little bit ago. Let's see here. Good morning, Sam. Finally back home. Good to hear the voice of yours. Reply to your text about the affiliate and referrals to Sage Trade by today. Thanks for getting that. Oh, no rush, Sam. Whatever you do. Morning, George. We have 45 minute. We have 45 minute. Let's oh, compute. So we're looking at a sell the 45-minute line for YM1 and US 30. That is a free money giveaway. Free money giveaway first of the morning. For those of you who don't know what that means, it's a good thing. US 30 to the 45-minute blue line sell. All indices are in regards to the sell. And I would never take a sell, but it is what it is.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I would only be looking for these buy stops. Sorry, 12-hour daily buy on all indices. Write this out for you guys. Um, only trade I would take. So the lower it goes, the more money we make on the back way back up. All right, hopefully that's clear to you guys. Yeah, I love the $12 buy. Think you're gonna see a little dip further, then flip around and come back up, and we know exactly when it will flip around and come back up because we have these cheat sheets, which are the key spots for the great Keith Palmer. This is what you're looking at here is all those little red dots you saw will turn to green arrows, and that'll indicate when the flip is happening. Good morning, Marley Marr. Good morning, George. Good morning, Stan. Good morning, Kirk. What's up, Matt Parker? What's up, peeps? All right. All buy stops in for $12. Yep, that is true, Matt. System is amazing. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. A Patriots. Good morning. Good morning, Dr. One Fly. You're number one, by the way. Good morning, Blessed Jay. Lazarus, Geo, Michelle Glowinski, Aussie Trader, Ryan Marcus, A Patriots, Alex, Azar, Sam K, Nacho, not your Nacho. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook. Need to see you live. Good to see you live. Oh, okay. Thanks, Matt. Yeah. I made it 3 times last week, so that was an improvement for me. I used to do over 120 hours a month on the lives. I did less than 14 last month. After Keith passed, I kind of lost my I don't know, my desire for a little bit there. Just being honest. But life goes on. I have to continue to try to help you guys, so got to do better. Now, to be clear on this, I've been consistently on TikTok or YouTube or both for the last 4 years. I haven't missed 1 week. I've been live every week, at least twice a week for the last 4 years. Good morning, Miguel. Now, what if introducing me to okay. Let me see if this works now. Would it work? No. Well, would it work if I wasn't there? Huh. There's gotta be a way around this I'm not thinking of. What's up, Crash? What's up, Bandit Trader? And we're gonna need, let me see, we're gonna need a heck of a lot more thumbs up on YouTube if you guys want me to stick around this morning, because obviously me coming on every day is the, Lord willing, but not always there. Kirk Brown, Kevin, your dedication and care for our financial is unmatched and inspiring. Thank you so much. Oh, thanks, Kirk. I do care about you guys. I know a lot of you, whatever, but I do. That hit you hard. Need time to recharge. We're all praying for you. Thank you, Ken. Yep, that's true. Yeah, I thought I was good with it, and then it just kept getting worse and worse. But it's been 6 weeks now. I think we're 6 or 7 weeks on his passing. Keith, the great Keith Palmer. I just wish we could have finished the Rebot before he passed because he wanted to do that so bad. But his sons are picking it up now. I just all right. Yeah, God bless Keith is right. All right. Well, 45-minute sell stop is well on its way. Let me show you what that looks like. 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour. All right, we'll see this fill in right here. See, there you go. This is why I'm calling the US 35-minute sell to here, because it's the only one that hasn't hit it yet. And we know that it's forming our buy stops here, and it's the only one that hasn't formed the buy stop on the 720-minute, the 12-hour. So that's why I'm still calling the sell, even though I'm not playing it, nor would I ever touch it. But the system shows you what's going to happen before it happens. All these filled in red, 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 red. This will fill into red. And then we might even see it go down somewhere on NAS's to the 60-minute today. And then you'll see it flip over. Everything will turn to buy stops. These will all turn to green, and we'll know to get back in the trades when they flip and come back up, when the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second start flipping. Matter of fact, the Keith bot is a semi-automatic robot, and it sends out a 30-second buy. It sends you out an alert on that one. Remember, this is a free upgrade to everybody that has the sniper. The sniper is the most important indicator in this group of three. The rifle, the sniper, and the Keith bot are the most important indicators ever made. Well, other than the system. But yeah. Good morning, Miguel. Asus says 2-hour gap. I'm not sure on which symbol, but yes, there is a 2-hour gap on all of the indices. All right. Yeah. Going from 120 hours on my lives, meaning I spent 120 hours a month helping you guys, down to 14 hours after Keith had died. Yeah, that's amazing. I did that many. It was a nightmare. Keith, Chad, and KJ are two sons of Keith, and they are doing the coding now for Keith, and they're working on fixing one of the things for us. Let's see what we got going on. I see a little something funny right there. Let me see. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see. We have maybe in 1 second. Let's see. 1 second. 1 second. Nope, still in our cells. All right, we'll just play. We have about, what, 15 minutes or so 16, 17 minutes before market open. Damn, time just flies. I don't understand people who do live say I can't do an hour live. I wake up, breathe, and I'm an hour into a live. We didn't even go over anything yet. It's been 26 minutes. That's ironic. Happy Rising, Taraya Edwards. It's my time. I know she's on both. Okay, we're going to wait for these buy stops to hopefully click in before market open. If not, we're playing currently a... Hold on. We're currently playing a... Oh, holy shit. I was teaching my... There we go. This is what we're currently waiting to play. Boom, 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 boom. The 12-hour daily buy will take some time. We know that. It's not going to be instantaneous. I will try to get you much faster trades here. Matter of fact, I'm going to try to get you some 1 second, 5 second buy stop. Waiting on buy stops to the 1 second blue line. Geez, might be a long wait. It's like we'll see US 30 and YM1. We have no choice. We have to wait. This is a sell. You're either in the sell to the 45-minute blue line or you're waiting for the buy. That's your two choices. Don't do a sell now.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Thomas Crowell. Morning, Thomas. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Good to see you all this morning. I've been doing this trading for 31 years and been doing it from wherever I wanted in the world, including a lot of cruise ships lately coming up to Star of the Seas. Been doing this from wherever I want in the world. I think we're on 5 years, 4 years for sure. I don't know. It's been 4 or 5 years. Retired using my own system that helps everyone, including beginners. It's not the easiest, but it's not the hardest either. If you put in a little effort and put in a little time, you can be consistent with it. We have many, many members who are retired using my system, and I need to get better about showing this too. So let me go over to here. And let's see if we can get this thing to load in for us. Good morning, Big Daddy. Just caught 120 pips this morning. That is excellent. 120 pips. Congratulations, Repenting Daily. Let me go ahead and testimonial that thing. There we go. All right, that'll work. Oh, I never did get the other. Oh, I need to get the other fucking crap. I have to get that set up. Don't let me forget that either. Fuck, I got so much shit to do.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Anthony Villabose. Good morning, Coach. Sorry I've been MIA. I'm sorry you've been MIA too, Anthony. It's always nice having you here. Hope nothing major was happening. Hope it's all working out for you. So please do not forget, my only goal is to get you retired if you want to. Demo trade only. D. Haas, D. Nice, Marco Risby, Kim Harrington, Maria Toller. Mr. Gold, I believe he's usually on, might be on this morning. Adam S. Boost, which is Josh. Tommy, Rocket, Larry, Harry. Goroff did so well. He has his own actual trading brokerage firm. 2 members were homeless and are not. One member was didn't believe in God, but then when he saw how accurate the system is, he was saved. So he believes in God. Yay. And that is just a short list. We'll be growing that a lot. And catching 120 pips is something to be extremely proud of. Mom had health issues, so I had to stop trading for a while, but she is much better now. Oh, yay. Standing ovation for Tony Villabo's mom feeling better, but she is much better now. Yay. I'm so happy. Lost my mom about, 4.5 years ago. Yeah, you never get over it. It's a horror show of doom. Every day I talk to her, nearly every day, and every day something reminds me of her. And yeah, it's terrible. So enjoy your moms as long as you have them. Kisses and hugs and everything you can do. All right, we're set up there and we're good there. Yay. Yes, Tony. Anthony said, I'm so sorry to hear about Keith. What a tremendous loss for you and us. Yeah, Bree and I. Yeah. Oh, well, at least he's up in heaven. And all I can tell you is Keith gave you everything he had up to the very, very end. Keith was coding literally, well, I know 3 days before he passed, but Keith is coding up to like a day or two before he passed, working on the Bree bot for you guys. And now his son has taken over. Woohoo. It's almost time for market open in about 9 minutes.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yep. Oh. Helping beginners and all traders become consistently profitable. Live trading. Yep, that is all true. And that is today. Mm-hmm. So we're trying to get you all retired. You guys are all trying to get retired. Now I'm here to show you that the Keith bot gives us a cheat sheet. You can see, it's so proud. And that's why I had all these arrows up. Let me show you guys something. If someone ever set up their charts to look like this, and they used the ice cream recorder and recorded this, these 3 boxes like this, what you're going to see in the future here is this. You're going to see the 45-minute, let me get that again. 45-minute turn red down arrow. Then you'll see eventually all these 60-minute turn red. Okay. And that's what forms these higher time frame BSs, these buy stops, future pending orders that's going to flip and come back up. So in the meantime, what you're going to see is this. It's so pretty. If you got anyone ever records, I used to record every training session I ever did. That's what you all need to do. That's in the rules for you. But I would record it. And what you're going to see is this. You'll see all these turn to green eventually. This is US 30, NAS, NQ1 all over here. Then you're going to see the 5-second turn to green. Then you're going to see the 10 seconds. And this is the order in which they form. And then you'll see all this turn to green, all these turn to green. 7 minutes to market open. This turn to green. And it's so beautiful. You'll see all these turn to green. All these turn to green. All this turn to green. And then what happens? And then eventually you're going to see all these turn to red. And what happens then is this. It'll go 5-second red. All these will turn back to red overnight, probably tonight as a guess, maybe later today. I don't really know nor care. But that's what's going to happen. Then eventually you're going to see US 30, NAS, and then you'll see these 120s. Then I'll say sell to the SPX ES1 if this is the case till it turns red. Just like I'm calling US 30 and ES1 to the 45-minute blue line until they turn red, because it just is a flow. Like every one of you used to think the markets incorrectly were random and there was no logic and there was no order to trading. I'm here to tell you the markets are 100% predictable, 100% easy to read. And my system has the ability to cheat sheet it for you. It tells you, we see those buy stops forming on the 5 seconds. If we go over to the 5 second now, see right here, the BS 5 seconds, you come over to here and you'll see 5 second buy stops to the blue line across the board. If my computer wasn't so fucking slow. Just bought this thing too. Bree bought it for me. Oh my goodness gracious. Come on, really? Record your trading session, study the playlist, and practice, practice, practice. A kept your system over the weekend, 8 ball, aka Lat D Mike. Oh, Lat, yeah, Mike, I remember fulfilling your thing for you. Congratulations. Thank you for welcoming him. 8 ball. Everyone, please welcome 8 ball. All right, we're going to go to the 5 seconds. 5 second buy stop, all indices at open. Just wait patiently. Yay. Yeah, we had about 5 or 6 people join yesterday. Actually, that group of people joined yesterday. Welcome everybody new. We're thinking about getting the system. Welcome to the lives. We have no choice. You're either in the sell for the 45-minute blue line for US 30, or you're patiently waiting for the 12-hour buy to kick in. I'm waiting patiently for the buy to kick in. I don't play the sells. Thank you for welcoming 8 ball. You guys are great. Oh, we just had a purchase right now. Welcome to the group, Tasha. Let me send out a little welcome thing. Good morning, everybody that's new, everybody that's thinking about getting the system, everybody that just bought the system, anyone that has bought the system. Let me grab this. Ooh, is it really still good? There's no way. Really? How the heck did that stay good? Huh. Uh-oh, yeah, I didn't think so. Let's refresh that. No, there it is. Hold on, hold on. Three minutes to market open. All right. Just sent out the NDA. When you guys purchase, you have to purchase. Ooh, 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 ooh. Need that. Don't get rid of that. All right. Unsure how to buy. The web page won't open. Digital. Welcome 8 ball. Welcome 8 ball. Web page won't open. That doesn't sound like my site. Come over to the oh no, where the heck is it? Come over to, yeah, there we go. The Stand Store. So it's thesafetytrade.com. Here it is right here. And yeah, it's open. 4 items left here. Yeah, you go under the 575. Read all about it. Understand that you sign a non-disclosure agreement. And then fill it out. And there you go. Yeah, no, it's working. Now, let's see if we can get into. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to see it. All we can hope for over the next little bit is Yeah, there's nothing to do. 1 second buy stop US 30 to the blue line. YM1 1 second buy stop to the blue line.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
That is for US 30 and YM1. I'm going to go ahead and call it for NAS also, but this is just wishful thinking. Less than a minute for market open, 1 minute to market open. Do not play market open, demo trade only. You're either in a 45-minute sell or you're waiting for a 12-hour buy. That's your choices. You're welcome, Digital. Literally, that's the site you buy, and you literally saw me open it up and use it, so the site's just fine. Touchdown to the 1 second blue line, YM1. Touchdown 1 second blue line, US 30. Yay. Next, I believe ricochet. You're about to see US 30 hook and come back up to its blue line right here. You're about to see it come back up, hook and touch. This is market open. Do not trade market open, wait. You're either in a 45-minute sell or you're waiting patiently for the buy stop to engage, which, again, we have touchdown or close enough for US 31 second to the blue line. You can get out of that trade if you like. Oh, geez, I have to go way over here for you guys to see that. Holy shit. Oh, there you go. It sells until the 45-minute, but I'm holding out. There you go. Touchdown US 30 to the 1 second blue line again. Let me see if I can get us to the 5 second. You got to be patient. There's just no way. Yeah, we can make a little bit of money quick like that, but that's just, there's nothing we can do. All right, TikTokers, YouTubers, Facebook Livers, Xers. Is there any questions or concerns or comments? There wasn't much to do. I would hold out patiently, waiting, and this is why I have this written out. Let's see if we still have it in writing. Oh my goodness, look at all this. Oh, there we go. This is what's going to happen currently. 45-minute sell, waiting for the 12-hour buy. And I would just wait. You're there? Okay, good job, Digital. Thanks for time and insight. You're welcome. Welcome, guys. Seriously, in trading, the best move you could have done. Learn the system. Patience and repetition will make you succeed. Just follow the system. Correct. Follow the rules. See you in class. Absolutely, 8-ball. It's every other Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for about an hour, hour and a half. You're welcome, Sam. You're welcome, Alex. All right. God bless you all. Everybody have a great day on TikTok. See y'all. God bless you, TikTokers. And YouTubers, thank you all for being here. I'm going to go ahead and close this down too. That was a nice, easy morning. Jeez, oh, pizza, like an hour went by like 5 seconds. All right, guys, God bless.